Hey guys, welcome to another MSM video. This is a short video, but an informative one, especially if you like tools. If you're like me, you're always cruising the interwebs looking for something cool, looking for the next thing that you need to add to your tool chest. And I found this set of tools, wrenches specifically, from JConcepts. And man, they are sick. I really dig them. I've started using them. They're awesome. I contacted Andy at Go Hobbies. I said, dude, get me a set of these wrenches, please. He brought them in, and I am super stoked. Let me give you the details. They are a open wrench set by JConcepts. There's 7 pieces in the kit, and these will work on fasteners for 1/10 and 1/8 scale RCs. They come in 7 different sizes. So we've got 3 mil, 3.5 mil, 3.63 mil, 4, 5, 5.5, and 7 mil. Each wrench is got the JConcepts logo etched on one side and the size on the other. They come in a multitude of colors so that you can differentiate each wrench and makes them more easy to recognize which ones are which. But yeah, these things are sick. Very cool. I'll put a link in the description to JConcepts website, and then I'll also put a link to Go Hobbies, the hobby store where I got these from, my man Andy. And yeah, these are awesome. I don't know about you, but when it comes to the lock nuts, I'm always fiddling with, a set of pliers, a set of vice grips. I've even tried using like those little stubby wrenches that you get in every RTR, and honestly, none of those ever work as well as I'd like them to. I've got super big mitts, and so it's really just a pain in the butt, but these are a game changer. They are comfortable to use, they fit in nice and easy. Honestly, I can't believe nobody thought about this sooner. And maybe they did, but I don't care. I got this set. It's JConcepts, so you're getting a great quality product. Hit us up in the comments section. Please let us know what tools you guys like, which are your favorites, and if we get enough feedback, we'll head out, grab them, and we'll start wrenching with them. Also, please remember to like and like the videos that you enjoy. That gives us feedback about what to shoot. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. We're getting closer and closer to our 1,000 subscriber goal. We appreciate all of you that have been hanging in with us and that do watch our videos. We really appreciate it. So have a great day. Thanks for watching MSM, and we will catch you in the next video.